Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a cute cow using plastic technique. I pre-inflate an 18-inch bobo balloon, slightly adjusted so that the balloon is perfectly symmetrical. Then I put two 5-inch pink balloons inside and inflate each balloon with 4 pumps. Then I put a 12-inch white balloon inside the bobo balloon. I inflate a white balloon with an air generator, or it can be inflated with a pump. That's about 30 pumps. The pink balloons are supposed to be the face of a cow, so to form a shape, I add air to the bobo balloon until then, and move the pink balloons to the right place. I tie the white balloon into a knot and continue to shape the cow's head. Now all the balloons are in place, the head looks perfect. Now I push the knot of the black balloon from modeling size 160 inside by 12 centimeters. I inflated a black balloon for modeling with 2 pumps. I grab the knot inside the balloon, twist it, cut off the end of the balloon and make a knot. These are horns, cows. There should be 2 such elements. I glue the horns of the cow to the head with glue gun. I use a low temperature glue gun with a power of up to 20 watts. Now I'm making ears. In a 5-inch white balloon, I put a pink modeling balloon, sized to 160. First, I inflate a white balloon, and then I inflate a pink modeling balloon with 2.5 pumps. I pull out both ends of the balloon for modeling, tie it into 2 knots, cut off the extra part and form an ear. I tie the tail of the white balloon, cut off the extra part and glue both ears with a hot glue gun. The head is ready. Now I'm cutting off the very tip of the pink balloons and glue it. Nose, look, it's very similar. Now I'm gluing on the eyes. There are a lot of different stickers in our digital goods store. We have the largest selection and the lowest prices. I will leave a link in the description below this video. Now I inflate a pink 12-inch balloon to its full volume. Let the air down a little until the tip of the balloon touches the table, and then I do an apple twist. I tie both balloons tightly together. I'm cutting off the extra part. I'm inflating black modeling balloon, size 160 by 2 pumps. Then I make to pinch, the size of 1 finger, and I fix this balloon between the head and the body of the cow. In a black balloon measuring 5 inches, I put a blue balloon for modeling, size 160. First, I inflate a black balloon, and then I inflate the balloons for modeling with 3.5 pumps. I pull the ends of the balloon for modeling, make 2 knots, cut off the excess part and form a hoof. I tie the tip of the black balloon into a knot and cut off the excess part. Which elements need to be made too? From a black balloon for modeling, size 360, I make 2 apple twists. These will be the upper hooves of a cow. The height of the upper hoof is about 4 fingers. There should be 2 such elements. I tie these 2 elements together and fix them on the figure. I glue the hooves with a hot glue gun. The cute cow figurine is ready. Thanks for watching us.